the perfect height to play the ball is this height, your hip height. Just one point, important point is the ball is at this height 2 times. When the ball is bouncing up, it's gonna pass here, right? And then the ball gonna rise, and when the ball is going down, it's gonna be at this height again, okay? So you can decide if you like to play on the rise or when the ball is going down. When the ball is higher, what do you need to do? The easiest thing to do is the ball is higher, yes, you go back, you wait, and you play this height, or you go more back, okay? And you play this height, okay? Instead of doing this step to the side here, you do 1 step back, and then 2, 3, okay? You play, and then you recover, 1, 2, split. The second thing, and a little bit more advanced, is the ball is higher. Matej, the ball is higher. Instead of going back, you anticipate and you do this. You see? Power here, and you jump, okay? And then you fall, and then you recover to the middle. So, if the ball is higher, you do a short break here because I just saw that 88% of you are still not subscribed to my channel. So if you find these tips valuable, please subscribe. And now let's get back to our video and to our tips. If the ball is higher, you do this and jump, and then you recover because you are playing. How can I use my full power and still keep the ball in? And this is the only grip I find out like it's easier, and then I tested with a lot of people. It works every time. When you see the ball coming, you are here. Instead of waiting like that, wait already with the racket facing down, because if the ball goes to this side, you just rotate your shoulders, you see? Instead of going like you are doing with your arm, and this is here, you do shoulders. You can go with me, shoulders,